The present-day Islamia College Civil lines in Lahore was founded in 1947 on the premises of famous D.A.V, Dayanand Anglo-Vedic College, which then shifted to Ambala, Haryana, India after partition. Dayanand Anglo-Vedic College was founded in 1886 in Lahore by the efforts of Mahatma Hansraj. Mahatma Hansraj, formerly known as Lala Raj, was an Indian educationist and the follower of Arya Samaj movement. He founded Gurudatta Vidhyarthi, the Dayanand Anglo-Vedic School System in Lahore in 1886. The first D.A.V college was set up in the memory of Dayanand, Swami Dayanand, who had died 3 years earlier. Swami Dayanand was the founder of Arya Samaj movement. D.A.V College, Dayanand Anglo-Vedic College, was founded in 1886. In 1947, it was shifted to Jalandhar. At present, the college name is Government Islamia College Civil Lines. Its previous name was Dayanand Anglo-Vedic College. See those. This is a new campus of D.A.V College or Islamia College Civil Line.